My daughter's boyfriend told me a secret that I can't ignore. So last night, my daughter's boyfriend, Jake, stayed for dinner. He's been dating her for about 6 months, and I'll admit, I've been skeptical about him. Something about him seemed too perfect. Polite, charming, and always knowing the right thing to say. But last night, as we were cleaning up the dishes, he pulled me aside and said, "Can I talk to you privately? It's really important." I assumed he was going to ask for advice about proposing or something harmless, but what came out of his mouth left me speechless. He told me that my late husband, who passed away 2 years ago, wasn't who I thought he was. Jake said that before he started dating my daughter, he discovered through his own family that my husband had another family, as in a wife and kids, a whole other life. My hands were shaking, and I could barely get the words out to ask, How do you know this? He explained that his aunt had been married to my husband for 10 years, overlapping with my marriage. At first I thought this was some cruel prank, but Jake showed me pictures of my husband with his aunt and 2 kids. I nearly dropped the plate I was holding. I didn't know whether to scream, cry, or confront my daughter. I managed to ask, "Why are you telling me this now?" He said he couldn't keep it a secret anymore. Not after seeing how much my daughter and I talk about my late husband like he was some hero. I haven't told my daughter yet. I don't know how to tell her. Here's the kicker.